If you're looking for a necklace pendant chain to pretty much wear for baseball, basketball, soccer, or any tournament events or anything like that, then I would definitely recommend this chain. And there's quite a few reasons why I'm going to say this. Is number one is that stainless steel quality. Now, if you're wondering about what stainless steel quality means, it means it's a resistant against dirt and debris, and as you guys know, stainless steel quality, the shine will remain the same as well too. And I could say this could also go through water as well too, and it'll still look as the shine effect still remains, will it will remain the same. And number two, what I love about this necklace pendant chain is that the 67 number logo looks absolutely beautiful. You can see the shine it has to it as well too. And another thing I love about this is that the Cuban chain style that it comes with as well too. You can see right over here. So as you guys know, like a necklace chain is like a regular necklace chain, but this is what I love about it. It has a Cuban style design to it, which looks absolutely beautiful. I do love the fact that if you wear something like black, like a black t-shirt or a turtleneck, the long sleeve shirts, then it's gonna look absolutely beautiful when you complement this and wear with that. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this necklace chain pendant because of the fact that it looks absolutely amazing when you wear certain clothing to it. It's a good accessory to have for your closet when you have to go for a baseball tournament or a basketball tournament or a soccer, or if you're just wanting to go to a party or function, then I would definitely recommend this. It will absolutely complement with whatever you're wearing. And yeah, if you're looking for a necklace pendant chain, then I would definitely recommend this product.